boys. All right, focus. By the title of this video, you guys already know what we're doing today. I'm super excited for this because I've been having the over axles just hang and bounce off the cross member for the last like almost month. I don't know, maybe 3 weeks. So I finally got some Axel-Backs in. I got the box right here. Let's get her opened up. I'll show you guys what I got. Pipe. Styrofoam. Tip. You might be able to see it here on the tip. Let's see if I can get it to focus. Doubt it, but right here it says SLP. These are the SLP Loudmouth Axel-Back exhaust pipes. I feel like not too many people that I've seen on YouTube at least go with this option. A lot of people are going with like Borla attacks, the pipes bombs. I decided to go with something a little bit different, something maybe a little bit more high quality. I actually been a fan of this exhaust for a really long time. Not on this car though. Back in the day I really wanted like a 2002, 2003 Trans Am. And I always saw it with the SLP Loudmouth exhaust and it sounded badass. So I went with these for that reason pretty much. Installation instructions found for this product online at slponline.com. All right, sweet, so we got that. And the last thing they came with was this box. Sick. All right, so now that we got all that out of the way, let's go and get these babies installed in the car. All right, boys, so I'm not gonna lie, I don't think this is gonna be too hard, but I've been wrong before. This is the over axle. That's how it is right now, and I just gotta wiggle this baby off. Dad, if you're watching this, you're right. This is not as easy as I thought it was gonna be. We're gonna get started here. All I've done so far is taken the exhaust. I just put it together like this, and I put the clamps onto the like downpipe part of the Axel-Back. That's pretty much it. Oh, it's gonna be so much easier now that the mufflers aren't in the way. Looking good so far. Wow, this is actually, so far, it's super easy. Let me just see how this fitment's gonna be. Wow, that's actually super nice, boys. That fits super good. All right, boys, so this is the first hanger. It's the one that comes from the over axle. I'm just going to thread these bolts in. There's one right here, and there's one on the outside of the frame. So right now, I'm just gonna get those threaded in a little bit, and then I'm gonna do the same thing here with the tip hanger. Once I get that done, I'll get back to you guys and let you know what's going on. All right, boys, so I actually just finished the one side just because I was working and I was kind of figuring it out as I went along. I'm gonna actually show you guys how I did it on the other side. It's actually not too bad. The most helpful tip that I can give you guys when doing this is get some jack stands, put them under your axle like this, and use your jack to hold up your exhaust, like your over axle pipe. While you do this, it will help your fitment so much. Like, it will help you get the exhaust lined up perfectly. You won't have any issues with the Axel-Back. It's super easy that way. Here it is, I'm under the car. First thing I'm gonna do is get this, oh shit, I'm scratching my tips. I'm gonna get this section of the pipe on, and I'm going to get the hangers bolted up. Also, if you guys are wondering what I'm listening to right now, it's Eminem's new album. Not like the biggest Eminem fan ever, but I like to listen to new music when it comes out, so just giving it a listen. So you're gonna hear it in the background probably. All right, so step one is getting this hanger threaded in a little bit and getting this pipe just on there, but I gotta get a clamp on the end of this first. So let's get a clamp. All right. Doing the hangers really loosely really helps right off the bat. So like you get the bolts threaded, but you don't tighten them down at all. All right, let's check this out. All right, so this is the part that goes to the over axle. I got that on, clamps hanging, ready to go. Hangers hooked on, hangers on loose. And same thing here, down by the tip. I'm just getting this hanger on, bolted in loosely. I have one more bolt to put in. Once the hangers are loosely put in, I'm gonna align the exhaust, tighten these clamps, and then tighten down the hangers, and that's pretty much it. So let me get back to it. Alright, so I just gotta get this one lined up and then make sure that it is the same distance as that one. That'll come up nicely. I want it to be out a little more. Probably right there. All right, boys, the pipes are on. Both of them are on, they're good, they're set. The only thing left to do now is to start it up and see how it sounds. All right, boys, here we go. First startup. I'm actually curious if it's gonna sound any different than just the muffler delete. Even though this is a muffler delete, like I'm talking like legit, just no mufflers. Let's fire up and let's find out. Boys, that actually sounds a lot better, and I understand why. Before, the pipes were just pointing straight down at the ground under the car. Now they actually come all the way out and they're pointing out, like towards me, right in my ear. So this is actually a lot louder, I think. And it sounds a little bit raspier, which I like. I like a raspy Mustang. I'm gonna let her idle a little bit, warm up a tiny bit, and then give her some revs. That'll be the fun part. All right, boys, I got my grandma to do a little rev for us. Let's see. This is gonna be my reaction. Okay, oh my God! Holy! Oh, baby! Yeah. What do you think? What do you think?
I don't like it.
You don't like it?
No.
Why don't you like it?
I like the pipe stuff. Stop it.
You do. You like the way they look, but you don't like how loud they are.
Hi.
She's hiding. Okay, so she said she likes the way they look. She doesn't like how loud they are, but I love how loud they are. I think it's so cool. All right, boys. So I know my lens is super dirty. Hold up. Yeah, that probably made it worse. All right, whatever. Boys, I'm ending the video here. It sounds super good. Pipes look super good. I love it. I think it's awesome. If you guys think it's awesome and you guys like this video and you want to see more installs, you want to see more parts going on this baby, please like this video. Please click that subscribe button. Please leave me a comment and let me know what you guys want to see done to this car and in what order. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I wasn't too in love with this car when I first bought it. I was like, it's a Mustang, but I'm really starting to fall in love with this car. I hope you guys are too. Please, if you like that video, press the thumbs up. If you dislike this video, get the heck out of here. Please click that subscribe button. And as always, I'm Yanni Knowles. You guys are the best, and have a nice day.